Mattel recently recognized a group of customizers out there by making available sets of reel riders without the car attached. I think all of us who have customized cars at one point or another have bought a Hot Wheels car, off the pegs because we wanted the wheels for something we were customizing. This kind of cuts out a big chunk of that process. And there you see what they're selling right now. It is available from the Redline Club website. I think it's hotwheelscollectors.com, as I recall. And they are reel riders. As you can see, there's 6 different designs. At the top, you see it says contents times 2. What they're basically saying is you're seeing 2 wheels and there's 2 more for each one of these. You basically have 6 sets of 4 wheels. So don't be misled by that contents times 2 comment. They're reel riders. They're tough to beat. I did post this box on my community tab recently on the YouTube channel. And one of the questions that came up privately was, well, how big are these? What are the sizes? So here I'm taking the digital calipers. It's not exact, but they're reel riders. They're soft. So I thought this would give you an idea of the sizes. You can pretty much tell on sight looking at them, but this will give you a better idea of that. And the wheels are fantastic. I've always loved reel riders. Sometimes when there'd be a metal base, you'd have a little more difficulty getting them out of there. They did put these on nice long axles. So for people who, if you don't do anything other than wheel swaps, these things are probably a blessing because they truly just drop in. If you do other kinds of customs as well, other customizing of the cars, the axles are long enough that if you need to cut them and, throw them in axle tubes or whatever, you definitely have enough axle there to work with. It's not like sometimes when you get them off of a casting and they have a short axle or any other kind of issues you might have. So after I measure these out, and those of you who aren't interested in the sizes can skip ahead here a little bit, I do end up throwing these on a casting. And what I threw them on, it's let me read this here, it's a 67 Shelby GT500. It's not the most attractive casting, as you can see here. But I thought, well, this is a good one. It has a larger back wheels, smaller front wheels, so all of these wheel sets can fit in this. And it had a plastic base, which made it easy for me to drop the new sets in. As you'll see, I do show you each wheel design on this car coming up here in a second. All of these wheels obviously dropped right in, and they did roll. Even the larger ones, because this car started out with a larger back wheel. I love this deep dish set here. It's a nice looking set of wheels. So they were all rollers. Some look good on this casting, some not so good, but they'll look really good on other castings. So, hopefully this video gives you a better idea of what this particular set is like. It is available currently, as I'm speaking right now, on May 14th of 2022. The sets are still available, as you can see there. $20 for the set. Shipping is added to it. The one other added catch is you do have to be a member of the Redline Club, and you can get that for $9.99 a year. So pretty cool, and I do appreciate it. Catch you later.